Babe went to the dentist today, so I'll be doing most of the talking, right, babe?
Yeah.
Right, but I always do most of the talking anyways. You don't want to do the intro?
You always do the intro.
You mean the, hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. Today, I just got home from work, and I don't know what we're having, so it's a surprise for both of us.
Not for me.
No, I mean both of us. The one person watching this video, me, and then you're gonna break the surprise to us right now.
Oh, did you want to know? Okay. Are you ready? We're having tomato, basil, and mozzarella stuffed chicken.
Tomato, basil, and mozzarella stuffed chicken.
With fingerling potatoes.
Fingerling potatoes.
And kale Caesar salad.
And kale Caesar salad.
Maybe.
Maybe.
We'll see.
Maybe.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. So lately, and I'm not getting paid for any of this, this is just a side note, sidebar. Lately, I've been finding a couple cool companies that I wanted to briefly talk about. So there's a company called Relentless Defender that is a law enforcement owned company, American-made products that has really cool clothing, t-shirts, stuff like that. So I wanted to give Relentless Defender a shout out, first and foremost. Next, Sheepdog Barbecue, also law enforcement owned company. John up in the Northern California area, Sheepdog Barbecue. We love them. Let's close this up. Next thing that I like, babe, is you. Babe went to the dentist today. Babe's not happy about it.
My mouth is killing me.
Yeah.
And
Blue Angel Coffee Company. We like them. Check them out. Blue Angel Coffee Company, another law enforcement owned company. Ooh, that's good stuff for the morning time. But now we're going to talk about the fun stuff. So check this out. Babe got me these as a little present. This is made by Bin Shot. This is a father and son company in the Midwest, I believe. All custom hand blown glass. Look at that. Thin blue line. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? So, Bin Shot. Find them on Instagram. BN Shot. They have all kinds of different glasses and different cool stuff like that. I just thought those are cool. Next, babe. Next. Let's talk about the prize package of the night. Well,
So
actually,
happy.
the food is the prize package of the night.
Actually, I'm the prize package.
Actually, you're always the prize package, babe. Oh, yeah. So, one of my longtime model, babe. My law enforcement mentors, who's about to retire, who's been like a major influence on my career, is moving to Montana. He's actually moving to Ennis, Montana. And him and his wife are building a house up there. So they have a little tiny distillery up in Ennis, Montana called Willie's Distillery. Find them online, Willie's Distillery. Google that. Google that. I don't know much about Montana, but there's a river of some type of fresh water right by the house there and right by Willie's Distillery. So they use the river, the fresh water from that, the local farmers and grain producers and stuff in Montana. So they do everything's by hand, everything is small batch. This is their bourbon. Babe's trying to read the back, but I'm trying to show the back label. So everything is by hand. So this was bottled, obviously, April 26, 2018. It's batch number 47. C.W. Boyd, whoever that is, that works at Willie's Distillery, hand signed this bottle. So really small batch little distillery in little Ennis, Montana. And he got us this bottle. This bottle's about $50 a bottle. And as you can see, it's super cool. And it's a high possibility one day that we will have to visit Willie's Distillery and visit them up in Ennis, Montana. I'm in.
Oh, we're going for Thanksgiving.
We're going for Thanksgiving. Self-invite. If you're watching this video, hope the guest room's ready. And I hope that there's a couple bottles of this because we're gonna have some fun. Babe's gonna open it and we're gonna have a little toast to you guys. So yeah. We're gonna give it a try. Our camera angles are just, my goodness, they are artistic. Right, babe?
Yeah, babe.
All right, babe. Thank you guys for the bottle. Cheers.
That's great. It's good.
I thought I had like a little bit of a honey taste. What's wrong, babe?
It's good.
Babe, I've always promoted you as a...
As a whiskey drinker?
Kind of, yeah. No?
They're just seeing real life. I'm sure after one of these I will be fine.
Or if you made it into a delicious old fashioned.
Maybe.
I'll just keep it just like this.
It's really good.
Cheers. So we had our little toast. Those are a couple of the companies that I'm really liking right now. good pro law enforcement companies that are good American companies. So give them all a look. One day, companies are gonna send us stuff to review and talk about and stuff like that, babe. Because
Can I get some new clothes or like some new shoes or something?
it's mostly gonna be like tough guy related companies, babe. Babe, let's cook.
Okay.
Okay, let's cook. First of all, babe, where's the B to my J?
It's in the dishwasher.
It's in the
It
dishwasher.
was dirty.
It was a dirty B to my J. Okay. So, babe, let's talk about the ingredients, what we're needing tonight, because I feel like the original opening description is not the same. Go, babe, go.
Okay, well, I'm gonna do asparagus instead of salad.
Okay, asparagus.
Instead of salad.
Okay.
Okay, so we're having tomato, basil, mozzarella.
Okay.
I got thin sliced chicken,
We got some mozzarella, fresh basil.
and we're gonna do some potatoes tonight, our little starch.
Okay.
And that's it. Easy as that, babe.
Okay, babe. Are you gonna show us how to do it?
Sure.
All right, let's do it.
First, we're gonna thin cut the mozzarella.
That was like very Italian of you.
You know, it's like we're in Little Italy in New York again. Next, we're gonna just pull some basil leaves. Okay. Then I'm gonna wash them. All right, so next, babe, I got thin cut chicken breast, okay?
Okay. We need to preheat the oven.
Yeah, babe, sorry, I had a sip of whiskey and it got...
Yeah, you had one little toast of whiskey. Go ahead. What are we baking it at?
We're gonna bake it at 350.
Sold. Sold at $3.50, Alex. Right now, babe, you are doing some salt. You're
pepper.
doing some pepper.
And some tomatoes.
And you're going to do some of the sun-dried tomatoes.
Yep, babe, I'm making this up
You're making it up as you go?
as I go.
Okay.
I
Oh.
have toothpicks.
Okay, you have
I just
toothpicks?
decided I'm gonna roll it. Where did it go?
Oh, boy.
I'm gonna roll this stuff all together, okay?
Okay, you do you.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna do a piece of basil, a piece of mozzarella. We're gonna do a few sun-dried tomatoes. Sun-dried tomatoes are delicious. And then I'm just simply going to take and roll the chicken like this. And we're going to take the toothpicks and put them through the chicken there so that it holds to bake. Okay, and then we're gonna just lay it right there. Okay.
Off camera, babe made this, ready to go. That's cheese, that's chicken, that's sun-dried tomatoes, that's the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes, and yeah.
That's gonna be yummy, babe.
Yeah, so what are you doing now, babe?
I'm just gonna slice these a little bit. These are fingerling potatoes.
Okay.
You actually don't have to cut them at all. They're small enough that you just throw in there and cook them. But I'm gonna slice them up a little.
Okay, babe, okay, you do you.
Shout out sheepdog. There we are.
Is this the last step before putting it in the oven?
Yeah, I've totally made this up from start to finish, and last minute I decided to throw a little bit of balsamic on because what else goes better with tomato, basil, mozzarella? So this is just basic balsamic.
Babe, how long are you going to cook this at 350 in the oven, though?
Like 45 minutes.
That long?
I think so.
350 is pretty high temperature, isn't it?
No, we'll probably check it at 35.
Okay,
Okay.
all right.
Are you ready? Do you see that happiness right there? Yeah.
Babe, how are you cooking these asparagus?
I'm gonna cook them in the cast iron with some butter and some whiskey.
Wait, you're gonna put some of the Willie's Distillery and some butter in the cast iron and those asparagus. Whoa, get it, ninja. Babe, do you know the #1 Fortnite player in the world? His name is Ninja. Babe doesn't even know what Fortnite is. Oh, babe.
Yeah.
Oh, babe. Let's talk asparagus. What did you do here?
I snapped it. When you
Yeah.
make asparagus, you turn it, and wherever it like you pull it from the bottom and snap it, wherever it snaps at is where it's ready to cook. So you're gonna get pieces this size, pieces this size.
Recap. Some are bigger, some are smaller. But they're all great.
It's not about the size of the asparagus,
What's it about?
just the way they taste.
Okay. Good thing we have garlic. Babe, what are you doing?
We're gonna put a little bit of whiskey.
That's scotch.
Well, Scott, I mean, isn't that the same thing? We're just doing a little bit.
That's your little concoction.
Yeah, then your face down here and smell it.
Smells pretty good. Smells a little spicy. All right, babe. The chicken's almost coming out of the oven. The asparagus is almost coming out of the oven. So now is the time to thank people for watching the video and ask them to subscribe. Bing! I want to... Look, if I fit the No, but if I could fit the subscribe button, like right over your face, would that be funny? Babe literally just pulled this out of the oven like 2 seconds ago. So that's the basil, the mozzarella, the tomatoes, the fingerling potatoes, the chicken, all that. It was in the oven a total at 350 a total for like 45 minutes. So yeah. So this is what we're looking at right now. We're about to do a little taste test, and then we'll scroll to the final picture now. The asparagus is pretty good.
I've never seen you eat asparagus that fast.
And now you're cutting me a little bite. And I'm going to give you an honest review. Oh, babe.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
You guys definitely need to try this. That was definitely good.
Oh, yeah.
And it was easy. It was cheap. It was, yeah, perfect for hump day.
Yeah.
Yeah, but let me
I
get
want
it.
hump night.
Hey, that was really good. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys make this.
You should.
It's pretty good, actually.
And it's really healthy.
Oh.
Like really healthy.
Yeah. Oh, babe, your dinner was pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. For a homemade, like, home chef dinner, it was really tasty and healthy.
It wasn't restaurant quality?
No, it was definitely restaurant quality. You did a good job. I definitely see where Babe gets all of her recipes from. She's just watching Gordon Ramsay TV shows. Huh, babe? Yeah. All right. Like and subscribe. See you guys later.